How's it going, everyone? My name is Nicholas Dominici, and welcome back to another episode of Behind the Lens. Sorry I'm late on this one, so let's just hop right into it. Alright, so as always, we're going to start off with a new project. I've already gone ahead and imported this 15 FPS script. You can find this in the link below, or if you're watching this on Snapchat, you can go to r/snaplenses and find the link to the Discord server. And from there, you can go to our GitHub repo, and over there you have a bunch of resources and awesome guides to make lenses yourself. Alright, so let's go ahead. So this script is a script I made. This is how you use it. So what we're going to do is we're going to import this as a scene object, and what you can do is you can just drag it from your resource panel into a blank inspector, and it'll create a scene object for you. And just to keep track of this, I'm going to name this controller. That's what I like to name my scripts in the scene object. And so first step is we're going to duplicate this camera, set it to a new layer, and rename it to lagged camera. Or you can name it to whatever you want. I'm just naming it lagged camera myself. And we're going to do the same thing to the render target down below here. We're going to duplicate it. I'm going to name this lagged target. So what we can do is we can go to the lagged camera that we made here, go to render target in the inspector panel and change that to lagged target. We're going to set this camera in the controller to lagged camera. Good. So what this has done is we have set the render target called lagged target, and we're making that lag. But we're looking at the render target right now. So how can we look at that lagged target? What we can do is we can go and make a screen image, and on the screen image we can set the texture to lagged target. Boom. Now everything's laggy. Make sure to set this stretch mode to fill, so it supports all aspect ratios, and so you don't get messed up. Good. Now it works everywhere. Here's an example of a lens that I use a script on. It's really nice. It's called Super 8. You can find it on Snapchat. Just search it up. Or you can look at my public profile and see this lens and all the other lenses I've made. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.